Hi, this is my new Juki sewing machine. It's a Juki HZL 357 series. It's a quilting machine with wide bed. Basic and easy to use machine for a beginner. It has 32 built-in sewing patterns with one-step buttonhole, and it's free arm. With the accessory box. You can put the accessories in here. And it has a needle treadle, automatic needle treadle. You just press this down. Oops. It has a drop feed dog for embroidery. If you need to embroider or sewing buttons, you can use this one. And you need to do some darning. You need to drop the feed dog that's located behind the machine. This is for ordinary sewing, and if you need to drop in the feed dog, just turn here on the left side. See, the feed dog has dropped. Let's return to the ordinary sewing. With LED light, it's very bright. And the accessories that comes with the machine are the regular zipper foot, but regular foot. Regular foot or a standard foot, they call this, and a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, you will need to put the button here. Whatever the size of your button. And the machine will do it for you. And the button 7 foot. It comes with 3 pieces of bobbin, plastic one. Because this is a quilting machine, comes with this. It's called the quilting guide, and it will be placed in here. Let's put it there. Can you see it? Let me take it out. I want to show you where should I put. At the back of that, there's a hole. Put it like that, and it will serve as a guide. Okay. And this pull cup, and it also has a small one. The big and a small spool cap. And the tint brush, the inside is the seam ripper. An extra spool pin. It can be placed in here. And the small spool cap is for small kinds of thread, like this one. And then you can use that way. And a small screwdriver if you need to take out the foot, but very small. I think I better use a coin or another bigger screwdriver that I can find. Oh, I have this one. I'm using this. I rather use this than the small one. In the box they say it has a smaller, another kind of screwdriver, L shape and S shape. But I only have this one inside the box. And an extra needle is free from the machine that comes together. That's all. And a CD, manual CD, and the instruction manual book that comes with the machine. Let's see the parts of the machine. This is the hand wheel. A hand wheel. This is the tension dial. You can see this one is changing when I turn it. Okay, let's go to A, because A is for a straight stitch. And this is reverse button. The on and off is located at the side. This is buttonhole balance. What else? It has a thread cutter at the side. Let's take this one out first. Let's try to wind the bobbin. The thread guide is here for the winding bobbin. Let's follow it. Oh, I forgot the spool cap. It's loose. Okay. It's difficult. I cannot see it. Oh, it's not down. Sorry. Okay. Turn the bobbin at the right and press. Let's stop and cut the tail. Okay, that's enough. Cut and take it out. Let's put on the bobbin case. When you thread your machine, you must remember that the feet is up. There's one more thread guide here. On the needle bar. Put the thread. Then let's use the needle threadle. Pull it down. Whoop. Now it's come up. Okay. Of course, you're gonna see it.